How to get Monopoly Go birthday dice. The first things first is let's just go ahead and access our Monopoly Go application. Now, before doing this process, you'll just have to make sure that you have successfully connected your Monopoly Go to your Facebook account. Now, Monopoly Go will rely on the birth date that you have set up on your Facebook account. Now, once everything is done, you will automatically receive that specific birthday dice for free if it is really your birthday. But if it is already past your birthday and you haven't received any free dice, then all you have to do is go to the three lines right here, the top right corner, go to settings, and then go to customer service. From here, just go ahead and tap purchase and refunds, and then go to store offers and deals. Now scroll all the way down and just tap on chat with us. Now all you have to do to type in here is just simply type in birthday free dice. Now customer support will be the ones to claim or will be the ones to um, go ahead and fix that issue for you to be able to get your birthday dice for free. So that's how simple you can get or you can claim your birthday dice on Monopoly Go.